Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally doing an updated hair dyeing routine. I get so many questions about what my hair color is, how I dye my hair, do I dye my hair at home, blah, 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 all that stuff. I did have a video of when I dyed my hair from blonde to brown, and that's one of my, I think it is my most viewed video, and I really love that video, but I just wanted to do an updated hair care type of a dyeing routine because it's been, oh my gosh, I don't know, a year and a half, 2 years since I did that. Let's get started. Obviously, I have a hat on right now because my hair is greasy and just does not look good. So I was like, I might as well put a hat on. We're gonna go from this crap to this. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is darker, not darker at the roots. It is just a different tone because of my natural hair color. My natural hair color is ashier than this color, so it just kind of is a little bit different. I haven't dyed my hair in about, been like 2 or 3 months since I dyed my hair. I don't dye it very often at all. I did last time dye it with a box dye though. I usually don't, and this video is not a box dye hair dyeing video. It is professional products from Sally Beauty, so just so you know. So let's get started with the products you need. So for the hair dye side of things, I use the Ion Color Brilliance Intensive Shine Demi Permanent Cream Hair Color. So this is what the box looks like. It's that silvery box, and I get mine in the shade, usually I get it in GN, or not GN, 6N, and I accidentally got it in 6G, which is dark golden blonde, so it's gonna be a little bit of a different color, but I like trying different hair colors anyway, and I know it's the level that I want, so who cares? So you get a tube of that. This is like probably $5 at Sally Beauty. It's super cheap. And then I use the 10 volume developer from Sally Beauty as well. It's the Ion brand. Just use a 10 volume developer because we don't need something super strong because we're just dyeing the hair, we're not lifting it. Then I use a squeezy bottle. Again, I got it from Sally Beauty. It has the measurements on here, which is super helpful. And I think that's easier to do this than brush it on like I did in my last video because it's just so much quicker. You just squeeze it onto the roots and then you bring it down to the hair as well. Then I am using this hairbrush. This is the Wet Brush Pro Detangle Professional hairbrush. I really love these wet brushes. They are amazing. My other one is just super damaged because I've had it for a long time and it has like fuzzies stuck in the bottom of it, and I just wanted a new one. So I just picked up this one when I got the hair dye at Sally Beauty, and I think it was $8 or something. Pretty affordable brush. It has flexible bristles so it doesn't damage the hair when you are combing through it when it's wet, obviously. The last thing you're gonna need is a cape. So I got this one from Sally Beauty as well. So I got everything from Sally's. Why not get it from Sally's? If you have somewhere else you can go, then get that. But I use the cape now because then I don't have to ruin my clothes and everything like that. Okay, so first things first, let's put on the cape. Okay, so the cape is on and we are ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys can see the difference between the two colors. Let's just start brushing out the hair. You want no tangles in the hair so that it gets even color throughout the hair. I just obviously brush through like a normal brush. Like I said, these are just flexible bristles so they don't rip the hair out and they are more gentle on the hair. Now I'm gonna take the bottle and my dye and I'm gonna put it out there. I usually use the whole tube because you might as well. It does come with a sheet here that gives you obviously instructions. So there's like gray cover up and like tells you what the ratio is you should use and also the amount of time you should do it and everything like that. So I like to do 1-to-1, so I do one of these to the same amount of developer just to make sure it really gets in the hair. And it also kind of depends on how much hair you have. So when I first did it, had way longer hair than this, and so I only used one of these and I barely got it through the entire head of hair. So if you have really long hair, make sure you get 2 of these as well. This has 2 ounces, so I'm gonna put 2 ounces of this developer in this bottle. There are like measurements on here, so I'm going to fill it up to 2 ounces. Okay, so there are 2 ounces of the developer in there, and then I'm going to take this, and there's a puncture thing on the back of this cap, and you just puncture the product. Wow, that is very yellow. We are going to squeeze this in here. So I squeeze this in the bottle and then seal it up. Oh, I forgot you're gonna need gloves too. That's another thing on the list. Oops. So I just get gloves, like black gloves like this. You get a huge box of them, super cheap. Okay, and then I'm gonna shake it up. Ta-da. And so then it's yellow. So now once it is shaken up and everything, you just start applying it to the hair. There it goes. And then I just kind of massage it in. Make sure you get all along the hairline as well. And I basically just part the hair with the tool and just kind of squeeze it in there as I go and make sure it's really nice and blended in there and massaged in there so that there's plenty of product, so it's nice and saturated. Honestly, I go through my whole head like this, go along the roots, and then I start bringing it down towards the ends of the hair. So yeah, I'll probably just speed through this part so that it's not super boring. Okay, you guys, so the color is all in my hair. My hair is completely saturated, and now I'm gonna wait 20 minutes until I wash it out. So yeah, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like after the 20 minutes and wash it out, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, time is up. It has been 20 minutes since I put this in my hair, so I'm gonna go wash it out, and then I will show you what it looks like, and I'll blow dry it and, you know, all that jazz. So I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, do not use shampoo when you rinse it out. Just rinse it and you're good to go. All right, you guys, my hair is done and I really like it. I was worried about this color because it just, I don't know, I hadn't used it before, but I really, really like it. It has a slight, you know, goldeny undertone and it looks really nice. I love this hair dye as well, either obviously any color, because it makes your hair feel so smooth, like so soft, so smooth, and it just works really well. I hope this was helpful. If you guys always, you know, if you're one of the people that ask what I do to my hair to get it this color, then this is what I do, and it's super easy, really, really cheap, and I will leave the products that I use down below in the description box as well. If you haven't watched the video of where I dye my hair blonde to brown, I will leave that in the description box as well so you guys can see that. And I think that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. And I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, check it out. So anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye.